Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ala. Today I am doing this really pretty, just pinky, everyday sort of look. It was just inspired by, again, the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Fair. I've just been absolutely in love with this color as like an everyday nude lip, and it's just so pretty. And I paired it today with the Makeup by Mario in Pinch Me Pink. I thought that this pinky look would be a really nice look to put together. I hope you enjoy the video. So I have already applied my SPF, and I just put on a little bit of this Haus Labs lip oil just as like a little bit of a moisturizer before starting my makeup. I'm going to use this Bareminerals Complexion Rescue in Birch 1.5 as my base. I was just wanting to create something sort of pinky and like bright and a happy look today. Not that every look isn't happy, but which is something pretty. I picked out a few items that I thought would fit the purpose of today, and I'll show you in just a bit. I have one of Mario's plump blushes, plumping veils. Those are so pretty. I love using those. So this is just like a little bit of a light coverage tinted moisturizer. I wasn't gonna do anything too heavy. And this is the Bareminerals Color Corrector Concealer all in one. I really like using the two together as well. Before I do my bronzer by Rose Inc, I am going to use a cream highlight by Rose Inc, and this is the one called Opalescent. It's like, I think it's the pink one. If there are any others, I'm not sure. I might just warm it up in my finger first because it kind of dries down. It has hardened already, so it is supposed to be a cream, and you're supposed to warm it up in your finger because it does come off kind of dry and powdery, and it's supposed to be sort of like a cream to powder because it does dry down, and it certainly doesn't feel like a powder or like a cream for very long. And it's more on the natural side because I don't even see it barely highlighting anymore as it's like kind of dry. But that's okay. If it's not too blinding and highlighting, then that's fine, because the blush that I have is actually it's gonna work really nice as like a dewy cheek product. Now I'll do this bronzer. This is in the shade Kauai. For blush, I went with the Makeup by Mario in Pinch Me Pink. This is a soft pop plumping veil in the warm pink, and it's so pretty. I love using this. Just look at that color. Such a natural finish. I love these cream blushes so much. And I definitely like that it's in this compact more than his stick ones. I don't know why. I hardly ever go towards the like stick products. They're not my favorite. There we go. For the lips, I'm just gonna wipe off what I have here. I am using this Hourglass lip liner in Tempt 3. And for lipstick, I am still absolutely loving this Pillow Talk Fair lipstick. Just look how pretty that is. And I've been using it with like a combo of different lip liners, and just, I love this color of lipstick. It's so much better than the actual Pillow Talk itself because it's kind of too warm, and I don't know, I've never been able to make it work, and I've tried multiple times. This has been a daily favorite. I guess I'll do my eyebrows before I forget. That has happened before. I am using this Kosas Airbrow Gel, and I'm brushing them up and out and leaving them there. I like that. And then I will set the T-zone with my new Kosas Cloud Set in Airy. The one I had before was the lightest shade. Not the lightest, the second to lightest. But I liked that this one was lighter because that other one, it kind of darkened the under eyes for me. And I would prefer it either keep my skin color or brighten it a little bit, but not darken it, of course, especially under the eyes where I already get dark circles sometimes from not sleeping. So this is the perfect light color, and I've missed this powder so much. It's absolutely my favorite. For someone with dry skin, you would love this. It doesn't dry. It doesn't make your face feel super dry during, like, throughout the day. With the Huda Beauty, I do use it, but it feels dry during the day, throughout the day, later in the day. Now for eyeshadow, I am going to use this by Charlotte Tilbury. It's the Pillow Talk Eyes to Mesmerize. It's the little cream. I'm just gonna put my finger in there and apply it like this. And for under the eyes, I will just use a little flat brush to get the same color, the lower lash line. There we go. That's such a beautiful, just subtle wash of color over the whole eyelid. It's just so pretty. And then I wanted to use Mood Light by Laura Mercier. This is the bright. It's just so pretty. Look at that. And I like using it as just an inner corner little highlight there, and then just bringing it inward a little bit. I'll use my brown. I've used this in the last video. It's the Beauty for Real in Whiskey, and it's just a brown metallic eyeliner. All right, I just put the brown eyeliner, the top and then the bottom, and that is it. For mascara, I'm going to apply this Tartelette tubing mascara, and then I will be right back. And that is the makeup all done. I'm not gonna spray it because I feel like it's already set down and I don't need it to be completely permanently on my face. And usually my makeup lasts all day anyways. If I'm like really needing it to be permanent, then I'll spray it with something if I need to go somewhere or be somewhere. But for today, this is perfect. And I might just fix my hair a little bit. And here it is, my hair something done. I wanted to kind of finish the look with a perfume. I always wear perfume. It's my favorite thing to do, makeup or not, on the daily. I wear perfume. I picked up the Brazilian Crush in 62. And this is really pretty. It has like a beachy, definitely a beachy scent to it, which is really nice. It's kind of like if you're going to the coast, and there's a little bit of that salty but vanilla caramely smell while you're there. It's just like a warm beachy scent that's just so pleasant. So I just like to top it off and finish it with that. And I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you. Have a wonderful day. I will see you next time.